So I'm going to give you guys a graph. This graph is going to represent you driving in a car. OK? So we're going to say here's time. Here's your speed. All right? And so you start 0, 0. 0 speed at 0 time. You start the engine and you start accelerating. All right? And let's say you want to go on the highway. So we're going to go 65 miles per hour. All right? So your graph looks something like this. You keep on getting faster and faster. It's like a straight shot. You like live really close to the highway. So you're just accelerating right into there. And then once you get on the highway, you put on cruise control and you remain steady. Right? And let's say it took you 5 minutes to get to the highway, or whatever, 0 minutes. All right, so if I was going to ask you, on what interval were you increasing speed, you might reply that you were increasing speed when? From 0 to 5. Does that make sense? From 0 minutes to 5 minutes, you were increasing speed. Does that make sense? OK, so it doesn't really make sense to say, oh, I'm increasing speed from 0, 0 to 5, 65. Does that really? We wouldn't really use that in normal speak, right? Or we wouldn't really say, well, I increased speed from 0 to 65. No, I asked you when were you increasing, right? So if I'm asking you when were you increasing in speed, you're not going to tell me how much you increased. You're just going to tell me when you were increasing. Does that make sense? Correct? OK. So in our normal speak, that's the way the language we talk about. And that's the difference here with when we're talking about increasing, decreasing values. A lot of students get this mixed up. First of all, they want to use the locations of the x and the y coordinates to talk about the intervals. We're not going to use the coordinate points to talk about the intervals. We're only going to discuss the change in the x values when a graph is increasing or decreasing. We're only going to talk as far as x values. We're not going to say how much something is going up or going down. We're only going to talk about the x values. When is the graph going up? When is it going down? If you guys look at my directions for increasing, decreasing, continuous, it says when is a graph going up or down. X values is the when. The y values is the what. Like how much are you going up or down? Does that make sense? We're talking about the x's. So I bring that up because this is probably one of the most